Today we are practicing stepping forward with brush, knee, and push. But first, let's open the door and warm up with lifting water. Follow me like I am your reflection in the mirror. So the hands float up. One hand goes down, holding the bottom side of the ball. The other hand, the top side of the ball. And we turn to the side. The top hand brushes down past the knee. The bottom hand comes up by the ear and pushes, holding the ball. Brush, knee, and push. The ball transitions to side to side. The stepping movement, shifting, turning, shifting our weight, stepping in, stepping out, both stands forward and back to Wuji. So we shift our weight, turn out the toe, step up, hold the ball. Now if the ball is wrong, if you're holding the ball wrong, just flourish and rotate the ball. What we want is the top hand has to be matched with the foot that is stepping. So if this is the left foot, the left hand needs to be on top. And this is because as we step out, the top hand has to go down, brushing past the knee. The other hand comes up by the ear and pushes as you turn to the front. Weight to the front, weight to the back, turning, up, holding the ball, stepping, brush, knee, and push. Weight forward, weight back, inhale, exhale, crossing, aligning the hands, hands together, hands apart, breathing in, breathing out, stepping parallel, cross, separate, sink, close from the back. From the side. Had to make an adjustment because I'm too close to the wall. Sometimes you have to adjust to your environment. And let's cool down with gathering chi, relaxing head to toe. Inhale up, exhale down. Thank you for joining me.